She grew up in an Indiana town, had a good-looking mama who never was around. But she grew up tall and she grew up right, with some Indiana boys on an Indiana night. Waita, waita, hey, She came here at the age of 18, blew the boys away, it was more than they'd seen. We were introduced and we both started grooving. She said, I dig you, baby, but I gotta keep moving on. I got a mahjong. Last dance with Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. Well, I don't know what I've been told. You never slow down, you never grow old. I'm tired of screwing up, I'm tired of going down. I'm tired of myself and I'm tired of this town. Whoa, my, whoa, hell yes. You gotta put on that jingle dress, buy me a drink, sing me a song, take me as I am, 'cause I can't stay long. Last dance with Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. Oh, 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 ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons! And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa. Hawa! All right.